Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about the Alport syndrome, which is a hereditary disorder, and we will discuss about the visual mnemonic for Alport syndrome. Alport syndrome is basically the nephrotic syndrome which is related to the kidney, eye and ear. So first thing you have to remember about the Alport syndrome is that it has a X-linked dominant disease, and the picture shown here, the t-shirt shows the XD, and you can remember that XD dominant. The next thing you have to remember about this, it commonly affects the male. The picture shown here shows the male individual, so you can remember that it commonly affects male. The next thing you have to remember this, it has a mutation in the type 4 collagen, and the t-shirt shows the 4 digits, and you can easily remember from that it has a mutation in the type 4 collagen. And the next thing you have to remember about this, it has a hematuria. Hematuria means the blood in the urine, and the male shown here has a red spots on the thigh, which clearly shown that it has a hematuria. And the next thing you have to remember about this, it has a sensory neural deafness, which is related to the ear disease. The patient cannot hear the bee buzz. You can see that easily, and it has a sensory neural deafness. And the next thing you have to remember about it commonly affects the eye, and it has a lens dislocation. The lens also covers the eyes in this picture, and you can remember that it has a lens dislocation. So it has all three types of symptoms related to the kidney, eye and ear. So it all covers the visual mnemonics related to the Alport syndrome. So last thing you have to remember about the pathology and morphology, it has a basket wave appearance under electron microscope, and this boy carries the basket, and you can remember about that it has a basket wave appearance. So let's talk about its mnemonic. It also shows Alport syndrome, so it is easily to remember Alport XD. So what is mean by Alport XD? Alport AL for anterior lenticolus, which means anterior lens dislocation, which is related to the eye disease. P for the peeing of blood and hematuria, blood in the urine. O for ototoxicity, ear disease, sensory neural deafness. R for renal failure. T for transplant, and the XD for the X-linked dominant disease. So this is all about the Alport syndrome, visual mnemonic and other mnemonic. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have any question you can comment here, and you have not subscribed our channel, so subscribe it for the future mnemonics and future updates. Thanks for watching.